What if I told you you could turn $100 into $10,000 in one trade with meme coins? 99% of them go to zero, but what if I showed you a secret strategy to find meme coins before they 100x? I will reveal exactly how the top 1% of traders find meme coin gems. Make sure to stick around until the end of this video as I'll change your crypto game forever. And I'll be revealing my top meme coin for this crypto bull run. Meme coins like Pepe and Shiba Inu turned early investors into millionaires with less than $100 starting balance. I've been trading meme coins for years and I've cracked the code to find the next 100x. No fluff, just proven strategies. I found meme coins like Hood that 100x after I shared them with my community, as it ended up reaching more than a $100 million market cap. The problem, most investors find meme coins after they've pumped when the gains are gone. But don't worry, I'm going to share with you my step-by-step system to find meme coins at launch. In this video, you'll learn 3 secrets: track millionaire wallets, find gems as they're launched, and easily identify rug pulls. Are you ready to find the next major meme coin? Smash the like and subscribe. Let's dive into it. Axiom Pro is where I'm finding these 100x cryptocurrency meme coins, and I'm even able to track meme coin trading wallets to find the best traders right now in the market. Let's go over Axiom Pro and show you my full strategy. We can begin in the deck screener discover trending tab. So here we're instantly shown in the trending tab basically the most trending coins for the last period of time. So here we can change it to the last 1 hour and even go ahead and select some specific filters. But here we can instantly track some coins that are trending, like already hitting nearly a $10 million market cap. So this is great to just get a feel of what is currently trending in the market. And even here you can see some links to their X accounts. You can jump over to their X, you can see their contract address, and everything about the contract address or any of the latest posts will be updated here. So it's a great way to even track some of these coins. One of my favorite features of Axiom Pro is coming over to their polls section. Here I have featured it one of the previous videos, but I will be going over in depth today as well. So here we have all of the newest pairs that are popping up. You can literally see they're launching second by second. 0 seconds ago, some of these coins 20 seconds old. So here we can easily track all of the latest coins. There's literally hundreds launching every minute. My favorite way to not only find the best of the newest coins is come over to this final stretch section, and then we have some specific filters that we can integrate. So I'll come down to this audit and I'll actually put the maximum pair age at 5 minutes. Then I'll put top 10% of holders holding a maximum of 25% of the total tokens. And we can see developer holding percentage. I have actually put that at 1%. Then we can see developer holding percentage. I have put that at 1%. Just to ensure that the developer is still holding some tokens. Sniper percentage, maximum 20%. Insider percentage, maximum 20%. And bundled percentage, maximum 10%. So we can actually hit apply. And then we're basically finding the best of the newly created coins. So right here, we can go through this list and have the best opportunity to find newly created coins in the market. Plus, we also have these migrated coins. So coins that have hit their bonding curve, now migrated their liquidity pool over to Radium. What would be great for this section is even come over to filters and include a minimum market cap, because we can see that some of these market caps are actually below what the bonding curve market cap would be. So to actually migrate, you need to hit around that 60 to 70,000 market cap. But some of these coins are below this 30,000 market cap. So it would be a good idea potentially actually filter those coins out. Even here, we're instantly finding a coin 31 minutes old, already a $500,000 market cap. Instantly click and come over here. We can actually see the developer sold. So we can see he sold 11,000. So this is probably not a coin that I'm wanting to be trading, but getting some great information from Axiom Pro, actually being shown exactly when the developer is sold and how much they actually made. So developer sold $11,000, basically making a lot of money. And you can see quick little dump. So obviously know not to trade with this coin. I have a lot of experience trading meme coins, literally been trading meme coins every day for nearly the last 2 years straight. There has just been so many opportunities. Also, we can come over to trackers, so we can actually track some specific wallets. So if you've watched some of my previous videos, we actually use programs like Soul Squeezer to find the most profitable meme coin traders. You can actually come over and like copy the address of the trader and then add that wallet here. So you can add the wallet address, add the wallet name, and here we can see the specific traders that we're tracking. And even here you can go over and scan the address, and that will give us like performance and balance, realized profit and loss. So we can see Axiom Pro will actually give us all the information that we need. This trader actually holding $3 in Solana, but his total profit actually $9,000. You can see 67 total transactions. He made 2 trades of more than 500%. We can go over his top 100 trades. So here he made $4.9 thousand, a 13, nearly 1400% return. Here made a 1800% return, 300% return. Can even go through, track all of the latest history. So he actually lost 58%, won 60%, lost 53%. And even here, any active positions of the trader. So really get some great in-depth information and potentially even begin copy trading, because that's something we can also do. Don't forget to use the link in the video description to get a massive discount on all your meme coin trading fees and free access to Axiom Pro by using the link in the video description. I'll save it for a future video, but we can even begin to copy trade some of these traders. Right here actually has an unrealized profit and loss of 1.5 thousand. So actually still is trading and is in some trades. So we go over to some active positions. We can see still in some massively profitable trades. He actually still in a trade up 1600%. Again, can go over all the history, all the top 100 trades. Again, just adding a list of these top traders, using it in conjunction with Soul Squeezer to find these top traders. Then we can track them right here and even begin copy trading them. So it makes it really, really easy. And as well, even if you just wanted to trade normal cryptos, so like Bitcoin, or even just trade Solana directly, or Ethereum, Hype, Sway, Filecoin, all these other coins even have the perpetual opportunity as well. So we could trade just like you would on a normal exchange like Binance or Gate.io or all these other different exchanges. We don't even have to just be focusing on meme coins. What I do love is at the bottom, we have the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, so we can easily track all those 3 prices as well. We can come over to yield. We can even earn some passive income with Solana. So it makes it really, really easy to actually be earning if you do have any extra Solana. Plus, we can come over now even to our portfolio and track all of our current trades. You would have remembered I deposited 0.5 Solana, actually made 1 trade, and here actually making nearly 55% on this trade in a live trade during one of these videos. So very, very profitable currently. I will be looking for another trade in this video so we can go ahead and actually do that. At the bottom, we can even add Twitter tracker, so we can add some specific Twitter handles. And let's actually add that now. So we'll come over to here, add the handle. So it's actually enter the username. So we'll go to add here. So here we enter the username, we'll paste in the username and add. And now we'll be able to track all of the trades coming through. So if they do mention any coins, everything will be available. So not only can we be trading some of these meme coins, we can leave the Twitter alerts available down at the bottom. You can see you can turn it off and on at the bottom. And we can see some of the biggest accounts talking about any of the latest meme coins. Now you would know if you've been active in the meme coin space and especially joined my Telegram group, some of the latest coins that have been trending, especially House, has actually just hit nearly $100 million market cap. So we can scroll out on this one and she hit over 100 million, one of the most trending coins in the last couple of days. What I really like to do on Axiom, come over on the 1 minute time frame and actually find out where the current trend is trending, because then I'll move down to the 1 second or 15-second time frame to look for a trade. When I'm currently seeing, basically for the last 2 hours, we have been in a bit of a downtrend, consistently making these lower lows, lower highs. So on the 1 minute time frame, trying to find the trend and instantly seeing that, okay, I would not want to be trading this to the long side on the 1 second time frame. Have found another coin. You see Gork, basically a new XAI coin. So again, even come over to the 1 minute time frame, see what's actually trending. What I would like to do, come over to the indicator section, add the exponential moving average to my chart. If you do have my trading course, you would know this is my favorite trading indicator. I had the 20 right there. Really, I want to be trading in the direction of the slope. So in this area right here, when we have a strong positive slope on the EMA, that's when I'll be looking to long on the 1 second time frame. And when we have a strong downslope, like in this region right here, when we have a strong downslope, I'd then move to the 1 second time frame and actually look for shorts. But obviously we can't be shorting meme coins, so we only want to be looking for longs. We do want to be waiting for that exponential moving average to actually show that at least the short-term trend on the 1 minute time frame has a positive slope, because then that would mean coming over to the 1 second time frame and trading this to the upside would be a lot easier. So what I'll go ahead and do is actually use those filters that I showed you in this pulse section to open up a few of these coins. And once I find a coin that hits my technical analysis support zones, then I'll look to actually enter, and I'll come straight back to you with the live video. This coin literally just launched less than 20 minutes ago, and it's making a major push to the upside. What I'm actually going to wait for it to do is come close to this exponential moving average and look for an entry. Look for an entry right here. Actually, let's get in pretty close. Let's actually get in now. We're going to look for an entry very close to the exponential moving average because it's moving so quickly. We can get in close to the EMA, look for a strong push to the upside. We can't even use the 1 minute time frame like I was speaking about before because there is no 20 EMA, because the 20 EMA needs the last 20 bars to actually display the price chart shown. But since we don't have that on the 1 minute time frame, I'm going to come over to the 15 second time frame. We basically got in very, very close to the EMA. I'm actually going to look for a strong push to the upside here. We have got that confirmation. Now making the strong push. Actually here we can see we're up nearly 20% on this trade, 22%. Actually going to look for a push well above this old all-time high before I look for a sellout. That will be nearly a 100% gain. Let's actually wait for that push now. What I will sell off is if we actually get well below the EMA. If we actually make a push below this low, then I'll actually get out of my position, make it really, really easy, just exit out. But right now we're currently supporting of this 20 EMA. Let's just wait a second, wait for this push well above. We could even add a limit order, above this old all-time high, so we could get out as soon as we pushed above. But I'll actually use my market orders so we could come over to sell, and we could sell 100% and just wait for it to get close to this old all-time high. Still up 30 here, 33%. See, we're still pushing above, and we've actually began to make this high, low. We can even come down. So what actually happened right here is we did have a bit of a dip in price. What I noticed is coming back to the 1 minute time frame, we did come back and dip down to this 1 minute time frame, 20 exponential moving average price. So what I did is I actually bought more lower. I brought my average cost basis down, and now when we push back above this price, actually be well in profit. My old initial price was like 180,000, but I'm able to bring my average cost basis down by using this strategy, coming in and using this 20 EMA strategy, buying on the 15 EMA, confirming back on the 1 minute EMA, and I definitely now know exactly where my stop loss will be on this position. Let's actually wait for a push above my average cost basis, and then it'll be an easy way to actually end with a profit on this trade. Once you've found a particular coin that you think that you're ready to trade or even deep dive further into, we can come down into this token info section. We can find what the top 10% of holders are currently holding, like here 9.95%. Developer is holding 0% of tokens, which is really interesting. Even the developer is not holding, so that might be a hint. Sniper is currently holding a massive percent. Insiders, bundlers as well. So all these red actually showing, okay, this is probably not the best coin to actually look for some trades. Even the liquidity pool is currently not burnt. Current holders, you can easily grab the contract address as well. Even see some similar tokens to see, okay, this could actually be a recreation of some of these older tokens where that what happens is a couple of months ago, you see some of these tokens making to multiple million or even 100 million market caps. And then a month or two later, they just get another recreation. So here, really great way to actually track a lot of this information about a specific coin that could really actually tell you, okay, this is not a coin I want to be trading. Don't forget that you're also able to come down to this preset section here and actually select some specific buy and sell settings so we can come and change our specific slippage. We could change our priority fee. We could change our bribe fee. So this makes it really easy to select all of our buy and also sell settings. You can change some different presets. So if you're trading larger coins with larger market caps, you might have preset 1, where you don't need a larger slippage. But then if you're trading coins with a much smaller market cap, maybe coins that are just launching on this pulse section, you can see some are quickly launching right here, might be ones that you're interested in. Well, if you're entering at a 6, 10, 20,000 market cap, well, you're going to need a lot more slippage to be able to enter those coins. You could have different presets for the specific coins that you are trading. So there we have it. This is exactly how I'm finding 100x cryptocurrency opportunities. I'm using Axiom Pro and all of their features. I'm using Axiom Pro to super quickly trade in and out of all of these meme coins. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. Check out all the links in this video description, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.